Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you to my Mac Forex YouTube channel. First of all, I really thankful to all of you for watching my videos, and if you are my YouTube follower then you know I always try to bring for you the knowledge based Forex videos, because in this market there are many kind of people making the video also at YouTube channel, but the thing is our target is making a good profit with proper technical analysis and fundamental analysis. So today, first of all, I really sorry I little bit late because I always try to upload the weekly basis forecast. Okay, so today I am also uploading the forecast, but today is the Wednesday. At the next time I will try to upload the weekly forecast on Monday. First of all, I request to you like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further best videos and press the bell icon, because I always try to bring for you the knowledgeable videos. So let's start on the topic. Today the topic is our gold and euro USD forecast. Okay, so you can see now at that time the gold price is running at 1781.45. Okay, so at the end of this week, like after 2 days, on Friday, I am it's my prediction, the price will be at 18, like 1810 or 1813 also. This level price also can touch. Okay, but you can see as per these channels, as per these because this system automatically show you the support and resistance levels, like strong support resistance levels and medium support resistance levels, and like a low impact support and resistance levels. Okay, so you can see here at this time the gold price is 1781, but the if this channel this system, if this channel price will broke, then the next the expected price of this area is 1758 end of this week. But if this not broken, you can see here already one time tested, but market move from the upside and again market is going down, and 80 to 90% prediction and probabilities market again will touch and go at this area end of this like a Friday. So we will discuss the cause why market will go up, why 80 to 90% prediction is market will go up. Because of, you can see at from this point to this point, this is market is going in the bullish trend, and you can see here if we analyze like this way, you can see like this way also and this way also we can do. Okay, if we do the analysis like this way, because this is already touch one time and go upside. Okay, so because basically the technical analysis was at this point market is broken, but market is the next target was this, but market is not broken, market is broken the bullish trend, but again test the support level and go upside. Okay, so you can see here market is again going down, so this is the test area, but you can wait like a 1769. If broken market this area, then the next price as per my prediction price will be there, but 80 to 90% sure is market will go upside like 1810 or 1814 at the end of this week. Okay, at the previous side, I'm basically doing this analysis with H4 time frame chart, but I want to show you the time frame with the small time frame chart. You can see here now the price is this area. So similarly this is the 1770. If price broke on, then the next level will be 1750 or 1758, but this is the exact buying area from this price. Okay, because when we analyze the long-term trading system, when we analyze for a weekly forecast, then we always analyze with big time frame like H4 time frame. For example, if you're doing the analysis of forecast like next 10 days, then always you need to choose the big time frame like H4 D1. Okay, but if you are a swing trader, if you are doing daily basis trading, if you are doing the scalping, then you can analyze. For example, I am scalper, So I will give you example. For example, I want to do trade like a in 30 minutes channel. So you can see here I will put buy here at this area. I will put buy 70.73. I will set the stop loss this side and I will set the take profit at this point. Okay. Similarly, when you can see here, if I am the scalping, I am doing scalping because every 30 minutes a new candle is here. So you can see here if I am doing the scalper, if I am a scalper, you can see I can sell here and market I can set the take profit at this point. So this can do. But if you want to do like long-term trading, if you want to do proper trade like a professional, because professionals always trade and analyze like a weekly basis forecast, and always if any profession, there are many professional traders which have a big funds. They always trade like a long term system. But scalping also good. You can do scalping also like a short term take profit. You can stop loss also is a part of the this market. Okay, so this was the my prediction of the end of this week, like a Friday, like a 5th November 2021. I'm as per my prediction, price will be 1810 this area. But hopefully on Friday, if any big like a high impact news occur, then price also can go, touch the 1827 also. But we will check with the different strategy also. You can see here I always try to analyze with this strategy also. You can see this with this strategy automatically you can determine the buyers levels of the like a strong sellers or weak sellers or medium buyers. You can see here there was this strategy indicate me the strong seller. So this was the exact selling area. Okay, 1795, and you can see the market is going down. But at this point they always giving me the buying like a medium buyer. So it's mean probability like 80 to 90% market again will go at this area or this area. Okay, you can see. So I can put the pending order 1776. Similarly in this strategy you can see this is also the same area 7073. So the thing is if you have a knowledge, if you have a good like a strategy, and if you know how you can analyze, how you can do the analysis of any pair, then you can make good profit in forex trading market. Thank you so much. This was the gold forecast. Okay, so now let's start of the Euro USD forecast. We will discuss Euro USD also. You can see here the price is 1.1582. okay, so as per this strategy basically go Euro USD is like a playing in range. This is not actually clear define of the trend like this. You can see Euro USD is going down, but at this point Euro USD is confusing us like a 100% not sure. There is no any clear trend line. Okay, but as per my analysis the hopefully the price I am seeing 1.1545 and at this point you can buy here and you can set the stop loss at this point. Okay, but if the stop loss hit, then the next target of your USD will be there. But if you buy here and take profit, your take profit you can set at this point. But the overall Euro USD is moving to like a in bullish trend. Okay, so let's we will discuss at this strategy also. Euro USD, what is the Euro USD? Okay, you can see here. Okay, so here also you can see the confusing, but this is as per as I said you, this is the exact buying area. Okay, if this Euro USD broke this channel like a 1.1518, then Euro USD will go more down like a, you can see I will show you, then the next target will be Euro USD will be more down. But this is the verified support level you can see here, but the probability, because the Euro USD already oversold, you can see Euro USD from this area 1.2289 still going down to down. But this is the exact area of the buying level. You can set the buy at this point, but I want to check in big time frame also. just 1 minute. D1, we will judge in, we will check in D1, basically in D1 what's the exact position of the Euro USD, because in H4 there is no clear trend line, any trend line, there is no trend line is clear. Sorry. Okay, so you can see here in D1, in D1 is the bearish trend, but you can see this is the very like a low level of the Euro USD chart. Like at this point price was, I want to show you, I don't know what is happening. The price was like a, oh my god, 2 or 3 months ago price was at this point. So this is the exact area of the buying, because Euro USD is already oversold. But as per the prediction, as per like proper analysis, you need to follow the strategy and proper technical analysis. Okay, so you can set buy at this point, you can set stop loss the below side, and you can set the take profit at this point. This was the Euro USD analysis. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any kind of comment, you can send me messages also at my WhatsApp number. I given my WhatsApp number in any video description, and there are many kind of best indicators. Some indicators are free, some indicators are I charge, because I always try to give the best strategies and indicators to my followers, and I will try to give the free online training also, because the thing is utilization of the system. If you have a good knowledge about the utilization, then you can be success in forex. Thank you so much. Goodbye.